Hello, art friends. On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I want to show you how I made my own scratch art. Let's get started. To begin my scratch art, I've got this thick paper plate and I'm going to color the whole thing with oil pastels. For this step, I'm going to press pretty hard with my oil pastels to make them nice and dark, and I'm going to make sure I cover all of the white just like this. Okay, next I'm going to mix up my scratch paint. So this is just a couple squirts of black tempera, and I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap. When we get to the scratching step, the dish soap is kind of important because it helps make the tempera paint a little bit more pliable and less brittle, so we'll get less cracking and chipping when we go to do the scratching part. Okay, I've covered all of my oil pastel, and now I have to wait for it to dry. All right, this plate is ready to scratch. I'm using this little stylus, but for this step, you can use anything else pointy like a paper clip or a toothpick, and you can scratch whatever type of design you would like. There it is, friends, homemade scratch art. Don't forget to share your art with me. Happy arting, everyone.